Hello guys, how to fix Mctray exe error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And this type of error appear if you have installed antivirus McAfee antivirus in your system. And to fix this error in Windows 10 and 11, go to Task Manager. Here under Process tab, look for McAfee and its related tasks processes in your background. Simply select it and choose end task. One by one, all related Mcafee process. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings, Windows update, and check for updates. If any updates available, download and install it. And the next workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and execute the command sfc scan now. Sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Any corrupted file system may be a cause of mctray.exe error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The beginning verification phase of system. This process will take some time. Wait till completion. The next workaround is go to run command box and type appwiz.cpl, press OK and uninstall Mcafee antivirus software. That's all.